Anzac Primary. And we are proud to be from Anzac Primary, eh? Look at your nice school uniform. All enjoyed it at home, eh? Our first story is going to be No Place Like Home. Because I think all of you had a little bit of a hurry to get from home this morning. So, who's this walking with his home on his back? What's this? Hey? A what? A turtle. Okay, now, all of you must listen to me. Now we will stop thinking about our homes and we must start thinking about school now, eh? I think I must give you your first book. Do you want your first book? Yes, ma'am. But then you must sit still and I will talk.